Okay, now we'll discuss some important numerical of force and laws of motion. The question is, a constant force act on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. Please note, a constant force act on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. It increases the object's velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the applied force. Now, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, what would be the final velocity of the object? What would be the final velocity of the object?
Sir, after 3 seconds to 7 seconds.
Okay, I will repeat it again. A constant force act on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. It increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. First of all thing, a constant force act on an object, that means mass of the body. Mass of the body is 5 kg. Mass of the body is 5 kg. Point number 1 clear? Point number 2, for the duration, that means time period is 2 seconds. Clear my point? Point number 3, it increases the object velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. So, initial velocity is 3 meter per second and the final velocity is 7 meter per second. All are clear? Find the magnitude of the applied force. Now, if the force was applied, the first question, find the force. Point number 1. Point number 2 is, now if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, if you applied the force for 5 seconds, find the final velocity of the body. Find the final velocity of the body or object. I will give you maximum 2 minutes. Maximum 2 minutes. Please solve it. Very good. Now I will solve this question. We know that F equal to ma, yes or no? And another formula, V equal to U plus 80. So you can write V minus U equal to 80. And simply you can write A equal to V minus U upon T. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So simply you create a formula F equal to A. On place of A, we can write V minus U upon T. All are clear? So that you can write a mass is 5 kg, final velocity is 7, initial velocity is 3, upon time period is 2 seconds for this time period. So that you can write 5 into 7 minus 3, that is 4 upon 2. Root to cancel 2, 5 is 10. So force is 10 Newton. Correct my point? All are clear? Any doubt? All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now the question is, find the velocity at the time of 5 seconds. Find the velocity at the time of 5 seconds. We know that F equal to ma. Yes or no? F equal to ma. So on place of A, can I write F by M? Yes or no?
Yes.
Simple, use this formula V equal to U plus AT. That you can write U plus, on place of A we can write F upon L into T. Clear my point? Then you can write U is 3, F is 10, mass is 5 kg and time is 5 seconds. 5 cancel. So 3 plus 10. Your answer will be 13 meter per second. That's your answer. This is the answer of first force, this is the answer of second bit. All are clear or any doubt?
Clear.
Clear? Now the question is, a motor car is moving with a velocity of, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 kilometer per hour. 108 kilometer per hour. This is the initial velocity. It takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes applied. It takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. That means final velocity will be 0, because if you apply the brake, after some time the body will be at rest. So final velocity is 0. It requires time, how many seconds? 4 seconds. All are clear? Now see, you should convert 108 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 108. If you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you must multiply 5 upon 18 meter per second. So this is 6, 6, 5 is 30 meter per second. All are clear or any doubt?
Sir, please.
All are clear? Any doubt?
Sir, please explain again.
Okay. Listen, beta. According to the question, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 kilometer per hour. You applied the brake. After 4 seconds, the body is at rest. That means final velocity will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, the most important thing, here the time is mentioned in second and here the time is mentioned in hour. Clear my point?
9, 4 section.
Yes, sir.
8, 9 of 8.
Clear? So 108 kilometer per hour, to convert it 108 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Actually the meaning is, let's see, 108 kilometer means 1000 meter. Yes or no? 1 hour means 3600 seconds. Yes or no? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 2 5 is 10, 2 18 is 16. So simple, if you multiply 5 by 18, then kilometer per hour converted to meter per second. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Simple concept. If the given data is in kilometer per hour, if you want to convert into meter per second, you have to multiply 5 by 18 or 5 upon 18. Then it converted to meter per second. All are clear? Clear or doubt? Clear or doubt? Now the question, calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car, calculated by the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car if its mass along with the passenger is 1000 kg. So mass of the system is 1000 kg. You have to calculate force. That means opposing force. Okay. Opposing force means your answer will be negative mode. Clear my point? Okay, I will give you 1 minute. Please solve it. It's a very easy question. Answer. Listen the solution. Just see. We know that F equal to MA. Yes or no? So that you can write M into, on place of A we can write V minus U by T. Clear my point? Now see, mass is how much? Mass is 1000 kg.
1000.
Final velocity is 0. Minus initial velocity is 30 meter per second. Time is 4 seconds. So 4000, that is 250. So your answer will be F equal to 250 into minus 30. That equal to minus 7500 Newton. Clear my point? So here negative sign indicates the opposing force. That means the brakes are applied opposite to the direction of motion. All are clear or any doubt? Okay beta, I repeat it.